Hey guys, I'm Phaye and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Phaye, I just said it, and welcome to my channel. To all my new subscribers, welcome and thank you so much. I really appreciate all 68 of you. Yeah, the last time I checked, we were at 68 subscribers, so thanks guys, thank you so much. So this is the look for today. I really don't know how to describe it, and it's really not so beginner friendly, but it's a creative makeup look. And yeah, I just felt like going all the way, full glam and all. So yeah, like this video, subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notified the next time I upload, and yeah, comment what kind of makeup look you would want to see next. And for the makeup that I'm going to be using, I'm going to list them in the description down below, so just check that out if something is not clear during the video. So that's it guys, let's just jump right. Guys, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and I'm just taking my spoolie and brushing my eyebrows just to set them in place. So then I'm going to take my Davis pencil in the shade 040, and I'm just going to use that to fill in my brows. To clean up my brows, I am going in with the Fit-Me concealer in the shade 040. So my eyebrows are done. I'm just going to go into this eye off camera, and then I'll come back and we'll do this eye together. So I first started with the color Magical Point, which is this brown right here, and I just put that on the inner part of my crease right here. Yeah, right there. So to blend out that shade, I went in with the color Pop, which is this burnt orange right here, and I just put that on the top edges and I just blend it out like that. I'm going to go in with the color Magic Wand, which is this mustardy yellow right there, and I just put that on top of that orange just to blend it out completely, so that I can have a nice smooth gradient. And then lastly, I go in with the color Midnight, which is this black, and I just take that to deepen this dark brown. So that's done. I am then going to cut my crease. So I'm just taking some concealer on my concealer brush and I'm just cutting my crease. After I've cut my crease, the next thing is to draw this wing, and I am using a black eyeliner pencil just to draw on the wing and then use some eyeshadows to blend it out. Once I've drawn on the liner, I am going to take the color Midnight just to set that liner. The next thing, I'm going to take the color Pop. So I'm going to take the shade Golden Rule, which is this one right here, and just put it where I cut my crease. So I've put on lashes. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my contour, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, this one, in the shade Dark Cocoa. To blend that out, I'm going to use this brush. Next, I'm going to go in with foundation, and the foundation I'm using is the Maybelline Fit-Me in the shade 335. I'm using the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer in the shade 40 just to conceal underneath my eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I just put some eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and now I'm just going to put on some blush. Now I'm going to set my face, and I'm using the Sacha buttercup setting powder. I'm just putting on some highlight on the tip of my nose. So for my lips, I'm just going to use a maroon liner. I'm using this one by Davis, and I'm just going to outline my lips with it. Okay, now I'm going to use a gloss. I'm using this one, and I'm just going to put it all over my lips. So this is the finished look for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get notified the next time I upload. And if you're new here, welcome. I just checked my subscribers and I've reached 68. Oh my god, you guys, thank you. Thank you so much. And comment down below and tell me which kind of makeup look you would want to see next. Also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. They're both at Phaye Mailu. Okay, till next week. Bye guys!